K2.0 Recover is the second-generation biomimetic treatment whose main objective is to effectively restore the most damaged areas of the hair, recovers the natural keratin, and restores strength, softness, elasticity, and shine to the hair fiber. Peptide K2.0 restores damaged keratin chains with matter identical to the hair structure. Its combination with hyaluronic acid of biotechnological origin strengthens and hydrates to virgin hair levels. The results are spectacular, shiny and resilient hair. Kerastore 2.0 proves to be most effective on damaged hair, intelligently restoring the hair fiber. K2.0 Recover locates and acts on the most needed areas. Protector Mist, the protective spray that protects, strengthens, and increases resistance to breakage during a technical service. Restore Hair Mask, the intelligent mask that deeply restores and acts selectively in the most damaged areas. Recovers the hair's natural keratin. Hyaluronic Treatment, treatment to prolong cared-for, soft, shiny, and manageable hair. It is applied at home to maintain the results of the services applied in the salon. Deeply moisturizes and repairs hair. K2.0 at the top of restoring hair.